What were the reasons, maybe, if I may ask? Because this might be a hint to some of the things that I would like to ask. And another question is on the...
Maybe Lilongwe Chirobwe. Since you said it's just a hint on other questions that you want to ask, can I give you space? Council, you may respond. Then we'll go back to Lilongwe Chirobwe. Over to you, Council.
Thank you, Honorable Chair, and Honorable Lilongwe Chirobwe. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes. As to the issue pertaining to my administrative leave, it is true I've been put on leave as of 12 January 2026. I do have the letter. This was communicated by way of a letter. As it stands now, these are just allegations. They have not called me to present myself and defend myself to answer to these allegations. I'll be comfortable if I can share you the letter itself tomorrow, but I cannot answer to the reasons right now because these are just allegations and the issue has not been concluded. So I'll not be comfortable explaining the whole situation on this forum. Thank you.
Mulanje Southeast, what has gone out of order?
Chairperson, through you, I just wanted this committee to rest assured. And I wanted to find out from the lady who just